Senior Chief Equipment Operator Jim McVicker. I'm a master diver with the underwater construction teams out here with NAVFAC, EXWC, and UCT2. We additionally have representatives from the National Park Service, observers from the Republic of Korea, and the Navy's Fleet Survey team. We're out here as part of the RIMPAC 2018 for a combined exercise to do inspections on waterfront facilities. Basically look at things that we would have underwater, possibly following a humanitarian assistance or a disaster, maybe a major combat operation. But we're all kind of teaming up to experiment with different technologies for oceanographic imaging. In order to get the most bang for our buck, we're working with the National Park Service in order to do some surveying on their site, specifically the USS Arizona.
Right now I can see the guns from the ship, I can see the anchor and the ship's bow right now. What else we can also check for is...
About 2 months ago, it was shut down to veterans and civilians that would like to attend the memorial due to some damage. So we have sent divers down to do inspections on the mooring, inspections on the floating structure, and we've scanned it with a bunch of different kinds of underwater imaging. Hopefully we would take those products and give those back to the national parks or use some engineering assets we have in the Navy to help develop a solution so we can get the memorial back running. I'd say it's a great success. We've had all the different entities come together. We've been able to talk to each other and find out what works or what doesn't work for each one of their entities, each one of their systems. And we've been able to come together and build that network so that even after the exercise is over, we can reach out to them and see how they're doing with their program development, possibly collaborate on some things so that we get better systems in the future.